This is our FCC and battery, GPS, RS32 connection to the PC, and this is our test, suit test. Let's start the test. Apogee detected and you can hear the sound. And parachute, second parachute deployed. Hello, now we will start seat test. As you can see, RS32 connection to the PC. It's our FCC, and let's test. As you can see, all parameters are changing because I'm and now let's test pressure test.